Okay, hi alle sammen. Hello everybody. Today is a Myppy Bar taste test. Corny, chocolate, biscuit and marshmallow flavor. Yes. I will try. First. Yes.
Hello, I'm eating an apple.
So, first reaction. It looks like Lord. What? First reaction, it looks like Lord. It's a show. It looks like the Sugar Pops. Okay, I will try. It dufts like chocolate.
No, really?
Can I taste?
Let me just see. It tastes like chocolate.
It tastes like chocolate. Chocolate. I cannot really taste the skumfidus. The marshmallow.
My turn. First look. Nej, jeg holder den. First look. Tastes like chocolate. Now
Tastes like chocolate.
no, I say smell. No. Now I'm tasting.
Yum.
I don't know, but I think of mælkesnitte. Very weird. 5 out of 10.
It smells like yes, but also like a hint of caramel. But there's not caramel. Der er ikke karamel.
What?
I will taste now. Chocolate. But it's good. I think it's good. 8 out of 10. But disappointment.
I say 4 out of 10. If I'm dying, I will eat, but if I'm dying of hunger, I will eat, but not in the madpakke frivilligt. So if Freya, you have.
Thank you.
That was all the Myppy Bar ASMR. Today we have matching madpakke.
And
What? Uh-oh. Goodbye.